In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Santander UK. If you need to order a new set of checks and you want to do it through Santander, this process is fairly straightforward. In this guide, I'll walk you through the two main ways to do it, through the Santander website and through the Santander mobile banking app. As you follow along, make sure you're using your own secure device and that you're logged into the correct bank account before continuing. To begin, open your browser and go to the Santander website. Once you arrive on the home page, log into your bank account. After signing in, look toward the top left corner of the screen and open the menu. From there, find the account section and select Account Services. This area contains the service options linked to your bank accounts, including check ordering. Next, click on Order Checks. You'll then be asked to choose the account you want to order checks for, which is especially important if you have more than one eligible account. After you select the correct account, Santander will transfer you to the website of Deluxe, which is their preferred check vendor. This is the platform where the actual check order is completed, so just continue following the on-screen instructions there to place your order. Take a moment to review the account details carefully before confirming anything, just to avoid ordering checks for the wrong account. If you'd rather do this from your phone, you can also order checks using the Santander mobile banking app. Start by opening the app and logging in securely. Once you're signed in, go to the specific account you want to order checks for. On the icon banner for that account, scroll to the right until you see the Order Checks option, then tap it. At that point, a message will appear letting you know that you're about to be transferred to the Deluxe website. Tap Continue to Website, and then follow the prompts to complete your order. The remaining part of the process is handled through the vendor's site, so you may be asked to confirm account-related details and choose your preferred check format or style, depending on what is available. That's really all there is to it. Whether you use the Santander website or the mobile app, the steps are simple and lead you to the same ordering destination. Just make sure all the information shown is correct before you finalize the order. If this guide helped, you can pause and replay any part of the process while completing it on your own device.